Hello everyone, it's Aurora from Aurora's Apothecary, and guess what? It's autumn olive season. So right in front of me, that bush that you see there, that is an autumn olive. Then we go down a little bit and that one's an autumn olive. And that one's an autumn olive, a little bit bigger down there. Just want to show you guys how to identify an autumn olive. Let's look at the leaf. So smooth margins on the leaf, and they're like textured. There's like little dots on them. And then the telltale sign of an autumn olive, that you've got one, is the back is very silvery. And then the berries. I mean, the berries aren't always there. We're in early September. And so they're starting to bear. You can see that some, let's get you still here. Some are ripe and red, and some are not yet. They start off green, then go to like an orange, and then the red ones are the good ones. Now, autumn olives are invasive, and when you find autumn olives, like they're usually in a lot, in a big bunch. So feel free to eat as many as you want. You are controlling the population. So in here there are some little seeds, and these are tart, I'm going to call them. They're not sweet, they're tart, but I love a tart berry. That's my favorite. So, and you get a lot of them on here. so you can hit like 3 trees and gather a whole bunch of autumn olives. You can make jam with them. I love to eat them just straight, but yeah, you can make any kind of fruit things with them. So go out and get yourself some autumn olives.